Hey everybody, Jeff here, East Texas ADV. Well, I finally got it. What did I get? I got the McCruise for the 2018 690. So, as far as I know, this is the very first kit they've sent out. So what we're going to do is we're going to dig into the box, we're going to get it opened up, and we're going to see what comes in with this kit when we get back. So don't go anywhere. If you have not had a chance yet, please hit that subscribe button down there in the corner. It's the logo. Also hit that bell for future notifications so you don't miss the installation video that we're going to be doing here in a couple days. Let's get to the unboxing.
All right, shipping was relatively quick. I was very surprised. It only took me about 6 business days to get this thing from Australia. Here we have right here, as you can see, it does say 690 Enduro R. Like I said, I believe this is the very first kit they have shipped out for the 690. Go ahead and tear into this thing. Let's see what we get. I don't know what to expect. From the directions that I printed out, it looked like it was going to be pretty entailed. So, let's see here. Alright, we got the directions, which I have already printed out. The ones I printed out were in color, and I'll show you that here in a second. I just like the color pictures a little bit better. I like crayons too, but these are the ones that come with it. The other ones are the ones that you can print out. They will give you a link if you want. So we're going to go ahead and look at the packing list here. I'm going to label all the parts with masking tape and a black pen. When I'm doing anything brand new and this detailed I like to go ahead and label all the different parts if they need to be. Masking tape and a permanent marker, and you write down number of the part and a brief description of the part and what it is. For example, GPS sensor, CAN bus, wiring harness, etc. So I'll go ahead and go down the list of parts. All right, you get the computer, you get the self-adhesive Velcro strips, you get the computer mounting bracket, and single-sided foam tape that goes between the bracket and the frame. Then you get the motorcycle control switch. You can either get an above bar, below bar, or what they call a micro. I went with the above bar mount because of all the accessories I have located on my bars. It was easier for me to do that. Okay, then we have the computer cruise control wiring harness. Don't let it intimidate you. It's not that big of a deal. Then you have the throttle position sensor TPS wiring harness. Then you have the CAN bus wiring harness. Now on this one, there's 2 different versions available. I went with the one that had the extra dongle, so I could add the fuel dongle or the ABS dongle, because this is how you plug into your stock ECU, is you use the diagnostics port behind the battery. Now, this option does cost additional money. I believe it's about $70 if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. I don't remember right off the top of my head. Okay, and last but not least, you get a bag of miscellaneous parts. You get a CAN bus blanking plug, a paper clip, you will need it, and miscellaneous zip ties. I'm going to go ahead and upgrade to metal zip ties when I get a chance to order some, because I just trust them more. As far as parts, that's about it. Go ahead, put it back in the box, and I'm going to get the shop cleaned up and ready to go.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing video. I don't generally like to do unboxing videos because they're boring and they seem to drag on, and nobody really watches them anyways. But with this being a brand new kit, as far as like I said before, I'm the first one that's put one on a 690. Now I know Powerhouse that does the SAE Delete kits, they had worked on one. So they had a test 701 and a test 690 that both have their versions of the cruise control, but they decided not to go to market with it. So McCruise was nice enough to go ahead and put me together a kit. They said this kit will work from, I believe, 2014 when they went by the ride-by-wire all the way up to the 2020 in theory. So I don't mind being a guinea pig. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Again, if you haven't, hit that subscribe button if you want to see the video on this thing being installed and my review of it. Please hit that bell so you get those future notifications. Thank you for watching and have a great day.